Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing the something went wrong error in Perplexity AI, it usually means there is a temporary issue with the app, server or your connection. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the something went wrong error in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, refresh or retry. So click this button here or resend your request. Okay, so it's just a quick fix. Okay, you can otherwise check internet connection, so ensure stable Wi-Fi or data. Try switching networks, okay, because connection matters. Otherwise check server status, so if servers are down, error will appear, so you have to wait and try later, okay, because it's an external issue. You can also clear cache, so clear browser or app cache, remove corrupted files, okay. Otherwise log out and back in, so sign out from the from your accounts and log back in, okay. So this resets session, okay. You can try another browser or device, so switch to Chrome, Edge, Safari, so use mobile app if you want to. So this test compatibility, okay. So disable extensions if you are using any, so this is one of the other fixes. So turn off ad blockers, VPN extensions, okay, and after that reload the page, okay. You can also update the app, because if your app is outdated, I'm talking if you are using the phone, not the PC, okay. So install the latest version and that will be fixed, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.